Hi, my name is Rena Cookie and I'm going to be teaching you how to do a cheap drag look. Alright, so first we'll start out, let's do a retro look, so based around 1920s. So we'll start with blush. This one my stepmom got from an Ipsy bag, she doesn't use it anymore. But we're going to use this for contour, since I don't like using bronzer, it looks too dark on me. So I always do this. About right here. It's kind of hard to see for me. A little bit more. That looks about good enough. So let's see if I can get the other side. I'm hoping I'm getting this even. Okay, looks about good enough. Let me get this a little darker. There we go. And then I use this brush, it's just a blending brush for me. Back and forth, back and forth. There we go. Back and forth, back and forth. Like that. Kind of hard to see, but it gives you a bit of a jawline. So now I'm going to do a little bit of highlight. So this is another palette I got from Ipsy, Wet n Wild. Shouldn't be too much. Let's see, where's my, oh right, here it is. Gotta wipe off that blush. And then for highlighter, I go all the way around here. Gotta make that face shine, you know? Kind of hard for me to see. Let me pull up another mirror. There we go. I'm not professional at all. I'm just trying my best. Oh, almost put my brush in my eyeshadow, which we'll get on to next. So now we get this side. Make sure that's even. Almost. There we go. And then I go right here, and then I fill it in. And then one last place, do here, well, two more. Do some lines up here. And then on me nose. Like that. There we go. And then we're going back to the blush because I forgot a few places. We're going to use this right here to define our nose a bit. Like that. And then let's get in a little bit right here. That looks good. And then I go up here a little bit, so push back my hairline. A lot of pimples right here, because it's right by my hair, my greasy hair. So we go in, my blush. Again, most people use bronzer for this, but bronzer looks too dark on me. So we go all the way down to our highlight, and then we stop there. There we go. Then I do it right here. Give me a sharper jawline. Then right around the highlight down here. There we go. Then we're going to take our blending brush. Blend here. Oops. Blend along this line. Because it gives you kind of the shadow, you know. Gives you the illusion of hair if you're wearing a wig. I don't have any wigs. Mine should be coming soon though. Just blend right here for the highlight. Blend down here more. Let me check my mirror. Make sure I got that all blended right. A little bit right here. Right here. And up here a little bit. Alright. That looks good. Alright, it's hard to see, but it's really bright. So now I'm going to do eyeshadows. Let me clean out my brush again. Actually, you know what, let's do lips. So, I got this new lipstick the other day. But for today, we're going to do dark inside, light outside. It's really dark lipstick. Let's see, purple. I guess so, why not? Let me see, which shade would be better? This one. Alright, so we gotta put on our lipstick. Put that in. A little bit more. There we go. There, doesn't look as dark, again, as it does in real life. So now I'm going to take this shimmery pink. Let me take off that lid. It's kind of hard to see, but it's a bright shimmery pink. So, just go on the outside. Put this bad boy on. And do that. This side's not really working. Let me try the other side. Whoa. There we go. Get off here. I wonder if it'll be better if I just did a two-tone. Maybe that will work better. So let me take my brush again. Blue. So I'm going to use this blue right here. Right here. Let's go along the outside. Whoa, that's bright. Now let me blend it in with my fingers. That's a little dirty. Let me clean this up. There we go. Now let's just apply this. Well, I don't think I should have done the eyeshadow thing. This was way too bright. I'm gonna have to wrap this up soon. Gotta leave soon. There we go, that's good enough. I'll have to fix it later. Now let's go for eyeshadow. For real. Clean off my brush. Let's see. We'll start with pink. So, like that. I always try to do it like this. There we go. One color down. Now, let's do the purple. This purple right here. Do a bit right here. So like that. Go back with the pink. Make sure you blend it. Like that. I'll have to clean it up a bit more. And then I'm going to go with this dark blue down here for the very edge. Usually I use my finger for this, but we don't want it to be too dark. We want it to be subtle. So basically the opposite of what happened with the lipstick. So one swipe here, one swipe there, one swipe, like that. Then I'm going to take some toilet paper, get a little bit, like that, and then I go around the edge so it looks better. You know, not as dirty. Like that. I think I should fix the lipstick. Let's go with my orange. The orange I feel like would be better. Oh. There we go, like it was never there. There we go. Pretty. I usually do lip liner, but today we're going to use some gloss. So just dab it on the bottom and the top. Rub it. There we go. Now we gotta redo my sides. I'll just do with my wide brush. give it that retro look, we're going to do the blush, the boldest right here. So like this, a little circle right here to make your face look rounder. Let me see if that looks even on my mirror. Almost. There we go. Ooh, this side looks a little wrong palette. Go a little further. This needs to be a little darker. What's this? There's something right here. Okay, got it. There we go. And that's how I do my drag look. Usually I'll also use eyeliner, but I ran out. So, this is my look. Well, pink look. I also have a blue look, but well, that will be for another day. I'll see you guys later. Bye!